One day, Pete, the invisible penguin detective, sat in his igloo in the middle of the desert, waiting for something weird to happen. As usual, it didn't take long. A giraffe called, panicking about its missing shadow. Pete grabbed his invisible hat, found a jelly bean stuck to a balloon, and questioned some very talkative rocks. Turns out, the giraffe's shadow had gone on vacation. Apparently, even shadows need beach time. Case solved. Before Pete could relax, all the sand in the desert vanished. His cactus sidekick, who thought it was an octopus, suggested they swim through the dunes. Sure, why not? After a while, they discovered flying fish were scooping up the sand, thinking it was sugar for their giant cake. Pete told them to stop. Mystery solved. Then, out of nowhere, the clouds turned into ice cream and started melting everywhere. Sprinkles rained down, and Pete knew this was no ordinary weather. After questioning a hummingbird that had nothing helpful to say, Pete learned the clouds had been binge-watching cooking shows and tried turning themselves into desserts. He convinced them to chill out, literally. Problem solved. Finally, Pete's cactus sidekick woke up without its arms. Total panic. Pete scratched his invisible head, asked a tumbleweed what was going on, but no luck. Then he realized the cactus had just curled up because it dreamed it was an armadillo. No missing arms after all. Case closed. And so, Pete, the invisible penguin detective, solved another day's worth of nonsense. All in a day's work.